Hey, what's good, YouTube? It is your boy. Mukobale what? Mukobale so I'm sharing part 2 of Who's the King of Special Pass Bongan and Fezela. And thank you for 5k viewers on that video. Okay, please like, comment, share, subscribe, or to get subscribers. And without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah. What's good, YouTube? It's up.
Moshka Moshka.
Okay, what is out of the tape?
Shaskes in Bantu.
I have one question for one. Who is the King of Special Pass? Bongana or Fezel?
Fezela.
One Fed.
Shibongan Pindisco in the Snooking Quits, I told. And I was a comment.
One got Ning Bongan. And it's very long. What's good, YouTube? This is up.
Matanon.
Yeah? Matanon. If they want to, where can they get you there? Yeah.
TikTok.
Yeah?
Na go YouTube feed.
Jengobad, Pelaking.
Cannot put it baby.
What? Wait, what is out of the tape?
Yeah?
What is out of the tape?
Ayi compare.
Who is the king? Bongan or Fezel?
Now yeah, Fezel.
Why?
Wiki.
Yeah? Why? Injan ngantle. Bongan. Injan ngantle.
First.
I feel the voice. What's good, you put up a good temper.
Mr. Matlaka, oh yes, Kabuye, this are for me.
If they want to, where can they get you that?
I'm not gonna talk about a young kinda, give me.
Yeah, who is the King of Special Pass? Bongana or Fezela? Who is the King of Special Pass?
Okay.
One game at left. One, catch a one.
West.
West, I feel. Thanks for stopping. What's going to be so big? I'm sure.
Show Velang Buido, obviously, I'm a pen, obviously, the interest of
if they want to, where can they get you that?
I mean, I'm going to an TikTok and down to 5 years.
Oh my God, who is the King of Special Pass? Bongana Fezela.
Obvious, I'm saying we the food, success of Fezela, and paid man. Bamba, my minimum killing Obongan, as Kamban, Obongan, Ubongan Pindan and Skogisiwa, Nina Gashela, Kashuk Macrin Pins. Pega Mamela Jam, Peg, I was stepping Bonabas Fagus step in Ale, Shania Sicilisa, Sang Bonabas Fagas about to Fezela in Pega Mamela and Jam, yeah, we should send no Fezela. Buyo, it was a Mataluna Namashes. When Unani, Pega Mamela, I see local brand. When Unani Jam, Pega is who's scraping and talking Sinda, who's at Chin, who's at Koran and Fosili one in Jalo changing to Machita, Tanko Fias.
Down, comment section.
Comment section. Lenkulum
Shaipa Pega Mafuna.
Cover Kamba Tang, comment section down. Let the Lenny Kulma Hamana Moya Minangizo.
Thank you. I accept. What's good to piece of poker temper? I'm here with
Old Boy Fresh.
If they want to, where can they get you their fresh?
Yeah?
Mababatan, Bagatula ko Kai Mola. Yeah? Yeah, Jongoban.
Old Boy Fresh.
Please go follow my what is out of the day feed?
First,
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
First, who is the king? Bongana or Fezel?
Bongan.
Why Fed?
Fezel has feeling.
Yeah?
Yeah.
After?
And the my I'm with your own and said I'm a caveat for P.
Thank you, Kasa. What's going to be so big? What's happening? I'm sure.
Petit facilitator, obviously, Mara, Facebook and so on facilitator.
Okay, man, what is out of the day feed?
Word of the day, word of the day, fuck all pitches.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
My so who is the king? Bongani Fezela.
Ah boy Fezela.
Why Fezela?
Hayi boy inja.
Yeah.
La yaqala kena umsangano yazi.
Bangane ke yena.
Abongane vele for mina kanaya. Akangishiseli ubongane. Akangishiseli.
Afeta nkosikhathi sakho. Ekusuye khona manje. Ayothi uchuphisa phe kotsempeka msho.
Phisa umsila afeli.
My if they want to where can they get you that feeling?
Yeah.
If they want to
Facebook IG.
Yeah.
Facebook na ku IG CSA.
What is the word of the day, Phil?
What?
What is the word of the day, Phil?
Word of the day.
Hey, banna.
So banang na word of the day.
My who is the king of special pass? Bongani Fezela.
Ah Fezela.
Why Phil? Why?
Awuntwana uyanyela no blind yabo my
Bongani kanti unjani?
Awubongani uyayiplana lento uFezela ufika vele sekayenza.
Okay, thanks for the chat. So guys, day 2 of shooting Who's the King of Special Pass. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to let's get into. Eu acho que o tipo precisa apoio quando você pega um show.
10k must be.
Man,
10k must be.
if they want to, where can they get you rapid?
Ngithola ku Instagram
Sure.
@theboy_10k.
I feel to please go follow you. My what is the word of the day, Fed?
Word of the day.
Sure.
Enza imali.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
Yenza in Hotman.
Enza imali. Ikma.
Guys, yenza imali. My who is the king of special pass, Fed? Bongani Fezela and why?
For mina.
Sure.
Ubongani.
Why, Fed?
Abongani ashama phansi. Fezela indaba eyamhlanyisa lento yakhe yazizwa. Indaba
Hey,
ukuthi
lento yakhe.
amafeni warawarayi. Aka relax. Akusi talent le ya ukuthi nje uyasho kuphela ukhuluma amasemba phuma ekhaya.
Fed. Yawa kwesikhathi sakho. Eu acho que o tipo precisa apoio quando você pega um show.
Salulut. They call me Vetis. La
Vetis.
Mondra.
Mondra.
La Mondra.
Oh, La Mondra. My okay, my what is the word of the day, Fed? Vetis.
Word of the day, boy. For me, just take silence as the best revenge. Yeah.
Take what?
Silence as best revenge.
Fed. My who's the king of special pass? Bongani Fezela.
Yo, I bongani.
Why?
I bongani inkinga. He states the facts like
Yeah.
the way he sees it.
Yeah.
Unlike Fezela, dog,
Sure.
like we are around
Yeah,
ngento
yeah.
kuqala people. But special pass angibukeli kakhulu. Maybe like Fezela side like angoliboni. So ukuthi ngibonela kabongani.
Sure. Thank you very much. Eu acho que o tipo precisa apoio quando você pega um show.
Obvious go fit. What up YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Park. POV.
My okay. My if they want to, where can they get you laughing?
Yeah, as in, ungangithola ku Facebook as you Mr. Papi, ku TikTok ku Mr. Papi RSS.
Yeah, Fed. Please go follow you. My Fed, what is the word of the day, Fed?
As you word of the day, it's in done.
Sure.
Follow your dreams.
Follow what?
Your dreams.
Okay, please follow your dreams. My who's the king of special pass? Bongani Fezela.
Pero njaya mina for mina ufezela ne.
Sure.
Makazoyichoose na masibo.
Why Fed Fezela?
Awuzifezela kambani boy.
Kambani.
Uyashala leso spotlight ne. Hayi ukuthi ubongane nyamthelela and stuff. Hayi. Ukuthi manje ubongane yakhohla. Salute.
Nyabonga Fed. I want to YouTube precisa apoio quando você pega um show.
Mashuru.
My if they want to, where can they get you there?
Ntanga mina shikumanje ngiyajola ngithanda.
Yeah.
Like mabe ngifuna fere ku Instagram fere.
Oh yeah.
Like ngubani fere ku Instagram. Mashuru ntanga.
Mashuru. My Fed, what is the word of the day, Fed? Mashuru.
Focus.
Focus.
Yeah.
Focus, my Fed.
I need to say word of the day.
Yeah.
Word.
Okay, sentence. Yeah, sharing a sentence.
Ungabukela abanye abantu phansi.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
Thank you, Mashuru. My Fed, who is the king of special pass?
Yeah?
Who is the king of special pass? Bongani Fezela, Fed.
Ntanga mina ngibacavi labantu mara feel ngitana ngamagama uthi ubani nobani?
Ubongane noFezela Mshini.
Feel singasho ukuthi ufezela feel.
Why Fe?
Angizicavi lezi just ngizwa ngamagama.
What? Else could you put up a course and pick up shout?
Listen,
If they want to, where can they get to that? He said,
TikTok,
yeah,
Instagram.
as who?
Listen,
He said, my Fede, what is the word of the day, Fede?
you're never fun.
Yeah, you're gonna have fun. What has me, Nani?
Nah, but yeah.
Okay, oh, okay, my again. Who is the king of special pass? Morgan or Fezel? Why again? Why?
Obvious, msangano.
Why?
Angazi.
You are slow learner. Fucking idiot.
Obvious.
Okay, nan fine. Up, boy.